Jimin come in the room. It's almost night time. He see the room light is off. He on the lights. He sees Tae sit on the bed while hugging his knees. He is in his thoughts. Jimin Tae. Tae look up. Jimin sees teary eyes. He knows something must happen. Jimin Tae, what happened? Tae, he have Jimin, Jimin, how you got to know? He tell me by himself. Jimin, you meet with his Sinas now. I don't have strength, but I want to meet the cutie girl. Uh, one drop of tear rolled from his eyes. Jimin wiped his tears. Jimin, it's alright. Please don't cry. Put his head on his shoulder. Why it's happened with me? Jimin, what is the age of for Jimin? When you start to feel for him? 4 years ago, Jimin, and he didn't tell you. You did dinner, Te Sanas, no? Te Jimin, I don't know, I want to cry, but I don't know, but I don't. How can he is happy in his life, Jimin? Jimin see and Tay start crying. I am trying my best. I don't want to cry, but what should I do, Jimin? Tay start crying harder. Jimin hug him. Jimin, cry as much you want. Tay, it give you help to release your. Tay cries harder. Jimin, don't let him. How you do this with your own brother? Jimin is Jungkook sit alone. He come home early today. He said Jungi he is not well, and Jungi no Jungkook don't said that. Jungkook is really not fine. How can he and Angel Heart today. He's in his thoughts, and then a girl come and sit beside him. Jungkook see and smile lightly. I miss you, Cookie. Where were you? JK, sorry, I am just busy in my work. I know I am not giving you time. Please, but please try to understand. I understand you, Cookie. Just try to come early, JK. Yeah. Next day, everyone present in the dining room expect V and Min. Granny go and call Jimin and Jay. They don't come. Maid Bo at her and about to go. Jimin and Jay come downstairs. Granny, you both are late. Jimin, sorry. Jay sits silently on the dining table. Jungkook come. JK, good morning. Jungkook, morning. Come here. Come here. Uh, let's do breakfast with us. JK, thank you so much, but no need. Jungi, it's alright. Come and do. Granny, come sit. Jungkook. JK nodded and sit beside Jungi. Jimin look at Jay. He placed his hand on Jay's hand in order to calm him. Yoongi, how was your Jungkook? He asked, and we and Min looked at Yoongi. Tae then looking down, Jimin looked at Yoongi with eyes. He know what is the condition last and how much. Granny, take her. I want to meet her. JK, I will. JK look at Jay, who sit there looking down. Jay is trying to control his tears. Jimin, Jay, are you okay? Jay nodded. Jay, yes, I am. His voice is so low. Jimin, if you want, we go in the room. Jay, no, Jimin, we stay here. I don't want anyone know about it. Jimin, still, Jay, I don't care, Jimin. Jimin, stay silent. He just home. Yoongi, why are you not eating? Jimin is really on Yoongi, but why he maybe don't have any right to say anything. Yoongi, today you both are silent. Is everything okay? Jimin, I was always like this. I am fine, Granny. I just have. That's why I am silent, Granny. You took some Jimin, Granny, when we go back, Jungi looked at Jimin. Granny, why? What happened with you suddenly? Jimin, I think I have to go back now. Granny, we will ask to stay calm. Hana, oh, so Tay best friend is going back now again. Tay stay alone. Tay didn't give her any answer. Everyone is shocked. Yoongi, why? He stay alone. I am here for him, and moreover, Granny is not going anywhere. He said while looking at Jimin, who didn't look at him but understand what he wanted to say. Tay, I am done. Yoongi, but you didn't eat anything. Tay, I am full. Yoongi, Tay, if you are not okay, we go. No, Young, no need. I am fine. I just want to do some rest. Yoongi, sure. Tay nodded. Yoongi, see till evening. See till evening. If you don't feel okay, then we go. Tay nodded. Yoongi, go and take some rest. Tay nodded. Jimin, let's go. Jimin, and they both go. Hana, look like they both have really good bonding. Granny, of course they are friends. Hana, friends. Oh, I think something else. Granny, you think wrong. They come in the hallway and Tay stop. Jimin, what happened? Tay, you also want to leave me, Jimin, when I want you the most? Jimin, who said Tay? You said you want to go back. Where, Jimin? Jimin, Tay, you don't know anything. I said Granny, so we go back. I said Granny should take you also with us. Tay, huh? Jimin, you stay there for some time. You will feel better. Here, Jungkook is in front of your eyes 24/7. Trey looking down. Trey and I want this. Jimin, I am worried for you. Trey nodded. Trey, I understand, Jimin, but sorry, I can't go with Granny. Jimin, but Trey, how can I leave my Hyung alone and Yoongi Hyung come? It's difficult. Jimin, you talk with him, but Trey, you change your place, environment. Trey nodded. Jimin, may be it will help you. Trey, I want Jimin. Everything is Jimin, come in the granny room. Jimin, Granny, you come sit. Jimin, sit in front of her. Granny, tell me suddenly what happened with you. Jimin, Granny, nothing happens with me. See, my parents are there. They must be waiting for me. I know they always with each other, but they mean a lot. Granny, you want to go back because you are missing them. Jimin, not wrong to say, said Granny. And what about Taeyang? He becomes sad. Jimin, can we also take Taeyang? Can we take Tae with us? It's his holidays. What the problem, Granny? You don't know Yoongi. Jimin, he don't give him permission. Jimin, Granny, you talk with him. He will listen you. I know, Granny. I try, but Jimin, I am here for some work, and my work is still incomplete. Jimin, what type of work? Granny, you will got to know soon. I talked with Yoongi. If he said no, then it's become difficult for us to go back. And moreover, I asked from your parents for 1 month, and it's just a few days past. Jimin, okay. Jimin in mind. What means if Jung is not ready? If he said no, then what I do? I can't go alone. How can I leave Taeyang when he wants me the most? He's in his thoughts, and then he hears some voice. JK, Jimin, sir. Jimin, stop. He turned and see Jungkook. Jimin, don't call me sir. I'm not your sir, he said in low voice while he's still feeling nervous in front of Jungkook because he never talked with him. JK, it's alright and don't feel nervous, please. I'm here to talk about tape. Jimin nodded. JK, how is he? Jimin, JK san, JK, I think Jimin I did wrong with him. Jimin, Jungkook, it's okay. JK, I am not Jimin. Jimin means you are JK. Listen everything. He tell him everything and Jimin understand Jimin. So that's the whole story. Jimin enter in the room. His seat is in his thoughts. Jimin lost in Jungkook memories. Really, Jimin, here I am and you. Jimin, take a chill. Nothing happened. You will find new Jungkook. Jimin, you just go from here. Jimin, oh, sorry, please don't cry, okay? You are making fun of my situation, huh? Whole day pass and women biking. In short, Jimin, don't let him quiet. I don't know what happened with you, but if you don't go, I will you now. Jimin make up out in Jungi. Come in the room. Thank God, Jung, you come. Said him go from me. Otherwise, I him. Jungi, what happened? They about to speak, but Jungkook enter in the room. Jimin stand on the side. Jungi see them and they look up. What is happening here? Why you guys come? JK, I am here. You all. No, why he want to JK meet with everyone? The girl feeling scared. JK, come meet with Yoongi uncle. Why you always ask about him? She nodded. Yoongi bent down. Yoongi, hey princess, why you don't give leave to my dad? He always come late. I mostly skip my dinner because he don't come on time. Yoongi, oh my, I am so sorry. From tomorrow he come home before 8. Okay, a smile. JK, Jimin uncle. He point toward Jimin. Mochi. Jimin chuckle. Jimin, I like the name. JK, sorry Jimin, don't mind. And actually she like to give nicknames. Jimin, it's alright Jungkook, she's so cute. JK, thanks. And JK, look at JK, he is young. Era, look at it, smile. Everything he's telling to T shocked. What, JK, you yes, on that day I said I am not, I am going home, and I see her on the road. She is crying. I take her in my hands, and she had and said she just some hours ago she needs proper care, and then I call Yoongi Young, then we both take care of her. And now it's time to take her said give her they sent her to the house, but I can't. I take her with me and I become his uh, 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 it's about your whole life tree. Why you didn't tell me before, and why can't I accept her? She's an angel. JK smile. JK, yes, she is. Jungi saw my brother. JK, take look at Jungkook. It's look like last hope. JK, really? Teho said to not accept this angel. Era, dad, let's go home. I'm hungry. JK, Jungkook nodded. JK said a bite to everyone. Wait, let us stay here for some time. JK, Era, you want to stay? Era, I want to stay with you. Yoongi, do dinner with us. Jungkook, it's good to her and T and Era spend some time. So I also become comfortable. JK nodded. She is so happy. You want chocolates? She looked at Jungkook. JK signed her to be comfortable as she nodded. Jay called her and made her sit on it. They both are talking with each other, and Jimin smiled to see Jay is so happy. JK also first she gets his, and second find the best person for Era. Yoongi eyes fell on Jimin, whose eyes stuck on Era and Jay. He don't let Jimin go from here. How easily, Jimin said. Uh, hmm. Giving, you want to stay here? Come, Era. You come to you come. JK, of course, you come to take me. Of course, I will. Yeah, then come soon. She said with the cute pout. Jungkook chuckled and nodded. He go. Jimin sign and sit beside Jiang. Sit beside Jiang. You know everything, Jimin. He tell me. Everyone is sitting in the dining room for dinner. Era sit beside Tail, looking like they both really have good bonding. Jungkook called her many times, but she refused, so Jungkook stays silent. Granny, Jungkook, she is so cute. JK smiled. JK, yes. Tea, what you want to eat? She started thinking. I'm really not hungry. Tea, eat this, then we go eat for ice cream. He whispered in her ear. Really, she becomes so happy. Tea nodded. They start eating. Granny, so Jimin, this is your last decision. Jimin, yes, Granny, okay. Then Yoongi, we go back tomorrow. Jimin want to go back. Tree, no, no need, Granny. Jimin, Tree, I want to go back, but why? Jimin, try to understand. Tree, give me the reason so I understand. Jimin, I will tell you later. Tree, sign. Yoongi, no need. No one is going anywhere. Huh. Hmm. Said Juna, Jimin, but Granny, Yoongi, I said means it's final, no more. He said in cold voice. Jimin stay silent. Granny, be comfortable, Jimin. Hana, if you want to go, then let him go, Jimin. He can't go alone. Jimin, I go, you stay here. Yoongi, I said no one go, and it's final. He said in little raised voice. Era hugged Tish, nothing happened. Jimin, I'm sorry, Mr. Min, but who are you to stop me, huh? Yoongi, for now, no one, but soon I will get the right. he said, and left the dining table. Jimin looked at his disappearing figure. Gee, I said, now you already impressed him. Jimin, shut up. Granny, oh, this boy. You guys do your dinner. JK, I check him. Granny, leave him alone for time. Sometimes JK nodded and they do their dinner. Jimin didn't eat properly. He go, everyone, stand. पता नहीं क्या लिखा. He said with the poetry on his Chico at his cuteness. Of course, my princess, come again, era. Okay. Just smile. He looked at Jungkook. Take care of my princess, JK. Thank you so much. You accept her. Why can't she? Is my just smile and JK go and sit by. Jacob in the room, he sees Jimin stand beside the window looking outside. He remembered what happened in the dining table. He went to him. To Jimin, Jimin turned his seat. Jimin, you come. To what happened now? Tell me why you want to go back. Jimin, I am here as a guest, but one day I have to go. Then why not tomorrow? To Jimin, you don't know how much we are happy. You are here, Jimin. Tin nodded. I never see my Hyung is giving importance to anyone. Expect me, but see, he is doing. He come from office, leave his work just for you, and you know it's not a small thing. Jimin, Tae, what you want to say? Jimin Hyung so much I in his life in his eyes for you. Jimin Tae, that's why I want to go back. I know. And Jimin, not about and Hyung. If it's like this, how can I spend my life with Jungkook? Huh? I am not accepting him with the Jimin. Jimin, things are opposite. Jimin, may the things are opposite, but the situation is like this. My Hyung was someone. Do, if he do. Uh, you don't know, he spent his whole life alone. He is that much loyal. Jimin, we don't get from parents. Please now don't go away from him. Jimin, stay silent for some time. Jimin, he accept me. Stay idiot, and see if you are scared, then go and talk with him. Tell him everything clearly and you will get your answer. Jimin, are you sure? Jimin, knock on the door. He stand there from past 15 minutes and he finally knock on the door. Jungi, I don't want to meet anyone. Go, he said in cold voice. They already said him. He say this. Jimin opened his eyes and put one step in the room. Jungi, I said I don't. He stopped when he see Jimin stand there looking down. If it was unexpected for Yoongi. Jimin come in he's feeling happy, but what happened in the dining table? He maintained his cold face. Yoongi, you are here. Jimin, I want to talk with you, he said in low voice. Yoongi nodded and said him to come and sit on the bed. Yoongi said, Jimin, why you don't let me go back? Yoongi, Granny said you are here for 1 month, so why you want to go early? Jimin, my parents. This Yoongi, where Jimin? Yoongi, we don't have any match. Yoongi, where what is not in me? I am not perfect for you. Jimin looked at him. Jimin, you are perfect, Yoongi, but I am not. Yoongi, Jimin, you don't know what are you doing with me? Jimin, I can't be. Yoongi, I'm sorry. He about to go, but Yoongi hold his hand. Yoongi, what you don't become, Jimin? Jimin, Yoongi, you are CEO and look at me. I don't know anything. We are opposite. You are a prince, Jimin, and Yoongi, and you are a queen. Jimin looked at him with the teary eyes. Jimin, please, Yoongi, Yoongi, please, Jimin. I already live so many things. Please, not this. He said with teary eyes. Jimin say he never thought Yoongi start crying uh, like this. Jimin went to him. He see Yoongi. Tears fell from his eyes. Okay, 19. Up next is Stop Kitchen. Jimin point of view. 2 months pass and see everything become alright. I said yes to him and I think I did right. Yoongi take care of me like his life depend on me, and it's true, his life depend on me. I'm so happy today we are going to. I'm shocked how respectfully he take me to my parents' house and ask about me. They said yes, and now we are going to. It's happened so early. I can't believe it's just like a dream. Jung is really a prince whom every girl wants. I don't know how to explain my feelings. I am on the seventh sky. We got, and I can't believe I am so lucky. Yoongi, what are you thinking? Jimin smiled shyly. I heard the new nickname. Jimin, I'm so happy, Yoongi. Thank God I didn't listen you. Otherwise, now we sit there. Jimin, I accept my fate. I don't, because my happiness is with you, he said, and Jimin looked into another side. Jimin, today you sleep peacefully, and you didn't sleep. You said you didn't sleep whole nights. Uh, Jungi, now I can't sleep because of happiness. I can't sleep to think you are with me. Jimin chuckles like for Yungi. Jimin crazy Yungi, not wrong to say. Jimin with his hand, pinch his nose with his hand. Jungi, oh, ouch, for Jimin, you are so cute. Jungi, I'm handsome. Jimin, my cute cat. Jungi, Jimin, not cat. Jungi, oh, my cutie. They both are laughing with each other. JKT and Era are busy with each other. Tell me, Era, what happened? Please, leave your dad. Era, mom, dad is not ready to listen me. Looking down at Jungkook, can't you complete a single wish of her? JK, I thought you are not comfortable. Take comfortable my foot. I will complete your wish. Don't worry, Era. Really, she becomes so happy and she started jumping in happiness. Tay, now go and come play with your friends. Don't worry, I will do something. She nodded and go to look at Jungkook. Tay, I don't know you me or not, but complete her wish. Don't worry, I don't expect anything from you, he said, and go. JK, hey, listen, but Tay already go. Tay, congratulations to both. Jimin, thanks. Tay, now you also go get. Tay, how, he said, his smile. JK, Tay, hey guys, congratulations. Tay about to go. JK, Yungi, I want to. Tay, he heard and looked at him. Tay freeze and Tay defer me first. I will said no, he said, and JK, huh? Tay, yes, and he go. Guys, I will be back in some minutes, he said. JK, Era, listen please. Jimin chuckled to same. Jimin T and Era both are same. Yungi, I also want a same someone like you. Jimin is waiting for Yoongi to come. He is so nervous. The room door open. Maid entering. The maid, sir, are you okay? Jimin, yeah, maid. Sir, boss is saying, you take some rest and sleep. He have some work. He come later. Jimin, huh? She nodded. Jimin, okay, you go now. Maid bow at him and go. Jimin makeup out. Jimin work. Uh, he he, huh? Work. This work right now. Do your work, Min Yoongi. Work have work. He make a big pouch and jug his knees. Not even 15 minutes pass. Room door open. Yoongi enter in the room. Jimin is confused, happy, but he look into another side. Yoongi, what are you doing? His voice is called. Jimin, what I am doing? Lois was Yoongi. So I said to anyone, what's new? Jimmy, everyone, he said in a low voice while looking at Yoongi. Yoongi, yes, everyone. You don't need to feel special. His voice is so cold, and he turned. Jimin started sobbing. He didn't know this happened with him. Yoongi heard the sobbing voice. He shocked. He turned and see Jimin. He started laughing and went to him. Jimin, okay, okay, sorry, sorry. He tried. Jimin, don't. He started crying. Yoongi, oh my, I'm just kidding. He again and Jimin hit him. Yoongi, sorry, sorry. Jimin, first you said made you come late, and now this. Yoongi, I'm so sorry. Please, I'm just doing prank. Jimin, prank, huh? Hate him more, Yoongi. Okay, okay, sorry. So he wiped his tears with his Jimin makeup out and Yoongi, I make you I make my he said and Jimin nodded with a big pout. Yoongi, sorry. Response, Jimin, what I said to him, Yoongi, what it's not my, this is not my answer, Jimin, then, what is your answer, Yoongi, you said Yoongi, Jimin, Yoongi, yes, it just, and Jimin is totally, Yoongi, look at him, Jimin, well, we will go next time. I don't want to. He said, and Jimin is avoiding eye contact with him. Yoongi chuckled. He said him to freshen and Yoongi also changed his dress into the comfortable one. They both sleep and next day Jimin is the one who wake up first. He sees Yoongi and smile. He didn't disturb him. His sleep and go for fresh up. Jimin come back and see Yoongi still sleeping his son and started drying his ears. Yoongi with closed eyes, Yoongi off the dryer Taeyang. So he mostly come to wake up Yoongi and on the dryer. Jimin for on his eyebrows and to see Yoongi. He again asleep. Jimin thought he must be here something wrong. Yoongi wake up. Yoongi again sleep. Jimin, he is unbelievable. Jimin, Yoongi, wake up, Yoongi, what is your prop? He see Jimin, Jimin, what you are doing here? Jimin shocked, Jimin, what I am doing here? Yoongi remember yesterday. Yoongi, good morning. Jimin threw the pillow on his face. Jimin get lost. He said and leave the room. Yoongi, okay guys, I need time. I stay alone and suddenly all this. It's okay if I misunderstood. I thought he is staying and when I wake up I see him. Yoongi come downstairs. He sit and Jimin sit beside each other. Era is with them. Jungkook is also present there. He meet with Jungkook and Granny also. Jaehyun, good morning. Yoongi, good morning. He looked at Jimin who is ignoring him. Tae, guys, what happened? Jimin, what you said? Tae, why are you ignoring my Hyung? Huh? Jimin, no, why would I, right? Yoongi, Jimin, see, it's not a big deal. Jimin, really? Then it's also not a big deal. I am ignoring you. Yoongi, sorry, I really forget. Jimin, wow, forget. I thought you just, leave it. He make Jimin, JK, guys, what happened to you? Yeah, tell me. Jimin, first she called me Che. He thought Che is drying his ears. And then when he wake up, he see me and then said, Jimin, what are you doing here? He said with the Yoongi, Tay, you are already used to wake me up with the dryer. That's why I'm just Yoongi. Now you want me to? He give me. Tay, I just give my opinion. Jimin, I am ready. Tay, what I give him? Yoongi shock. Yoongi, huh? Granny, okay, it's enough now. Come and sit. They all sit, and then Hana come with someone. Granny, who is he? Hana, my aunt stay here with us. Granny, what you didn't tell us, Hana? Now I tell you now. And he stay here, Granny and Jungi, and why? Hana, because I want, and if anyone have problem then go. Yoongi, everyone have problem, so it's good if you only go. Hana about to speak. Granny, it's okay, come and sit. She nodded and they both sit together. Jimin feel the gaze on him. I know I don't like her, but she deserved better, he said while making Jimin chuckle. Jimin really nodded. Era, let's go, mom. Jimin come in the room. He sit on the bed. He's in his thought. He felt someone hand on his shoulder. Yoongi, uh, Jimin, no, I'm just teasing you. I understand it's take time. Yoongi, I really don't know. Jimin, it's alright. He passed him a smile. Yoongi, what you are thinking? Jimin, I am thinking about Jay and Jungkook. Yoongi, where what happened with them? Jimin, nothing happened. They also got Yoongi. They will, you no need to worry. Jimin nodded. Jimin, I want everything perfect. Yoongi, everything is already perfect. Jimin, Jimin, I don't know why I'm feeling like something going to happen. Yoongi, you are just thinking too much. Jimin, maybe. Yoongi, don't think too much, Mamochi. Jimin, okay, Mr. Cat, Yoongi, Jimin, and here they again start. They got award of the world most biking partners. Okay. Jungkook, Jungkook and Tae come. Era is playing with her cat and Tae see her. He come and sit on the ground. JK also come and sit beside him. Tae look at him and then Era. JK, I never think it's happened, but now it's happened. Jay, what JK? I am feeling from Era. Jay become confused straight away. JK, you always stay with her, make her feel special. Jay saw JK. I also want you to stay with me. Listen, Taeyang, I don't know how to express my feelings and emotions. You may be shocked to know from last 5 years. Jay shocked. What? JK nodded. JK, yeah, first I thought we don't have any match. And then I talked with Jungi. He said you don't have any problem. Then I meet with Era. And here my hopes break. You, me, Trey looked at him and smiled. Trey nodded. JK, really? JK smiled and Trey, thank you so much, Jungkook. You gave me everything, JK. I'm so happy I get you. Tears, Trey, me too, and also Era. This see Era. Jimin is working in the kitchen, so like 15 days pass, and Jimin is so happy. Tea and Cook also they are doing preparation for. Jimin is making dinner, and then he feels someone hand on his shoulder. He thought he must be Yoongi, but he don't feel. He turned and he shocked. He take a step back to see Sehyun. Jimin don't like him. He always come and stand behind him and etc. Jimin, you are here. Sehyun, any problem? Jimin, go from here. Hana is not here. Sehyun, who said I am here for Hana? He said while taking a step toward Jimin. Jimin is so scared, and then he heard the room, door open voice. Sehyun, take a step back. Sehyun, I leave you now, but let's see how long you. He said and go. Jimin is so scared. He thought Jungi hold his hand. Jimin flinch. Jimin. Sorry, sorry. Yoongi, it's alright, it's okay, okay. Jimin, I thought Yoongi, Jimin, it's totally alright. Jimin nodded. Jimin sign, he take a deep breath. Jimin, you come, go and fresh up. Jin is almost ready. Yoongi, I don't think so. He said, making Jimin confused. Jimin realized, Jimin, Yoongi, go. He said while whining, Yoongi, huh, you said Jin is ready. Jimin, see. He said while pointing toward the dishes. Yoongi, no way, I don't want this, Jimin. But Jimin, Yoongi, if you want to, then you have to eat. Yoongi, no, if I want to live, then I want Bin Jimin beside me. Jimin looking down, Yoongi, give everyone dinner and come in the room. Jimin, and you, Yoongi, I will do later, he said and go. Jimin heart is today Yoongi is in, he gave everyone dinner. Okay, 32 last. Jimin come in the room. He see Yoongi sit on the bed. Jimin come in the room after 3 hours because they don't let Jimin. Don't letting him go. Jimin closed the door. He went to Yoongi with the tray of food. Jimin, Yoongi do dinner. Yoongi didn't look at him. He go and stand beside the window. Jimin know he everything, but what should he do? He placed the tray on the table and went to Yoongi. Jimin, sorry, I want to come, but they don't let me. Yoongi, go and stay with them. Yoongi, no need to come. Jimin, sorry, please. Yoongi, Jimin, go. You really everything. Jimin, I know everything. Yoongi, uh, everyone, everything. Yoongi, still, please, because of Soyeon. Jimin also, so he wants. Jimin, come in front of him. Jimin, sorry. Yoongi, Jimin, go. He didn't listen. Jimin looking down. Jimin, sorry. About to go, Yoongi. and stop him. Yoongi, first come late and now going, huh? Jimin, you are not talking with me. Yoongi, so you go. Jimin, I go and sit there silently. Yoongi, don't even try to talk with me. Jimin, I do. Yoongi, when Jimin just now, he said, the food trip will like why I am here. Uh-huh. Jimin, Yoongi, he called him in low voice. Yoongi, yes. Jimin, I don't know why, but I am not feeling good. Yoongi, why are you feeling? Jimin, don't know. Yoongi, I give you but had dinner. Jimin, what you think I eat without you? Yoongi, oh Jimin, why you didn't eat? Why you didn't tell me before? Jimin, now I need to tell you the this also. Yoongi, no, you stay here, wait for me. I will back in some minutes. He said and go. Jimin, sit on the bed. Yoongi made something light for him and come. Jimin, he see Jimin sits there silently. Yoongi, what happened? Are you okay? Jimin, Yoongi, eat something. If you are not okay, you tell me. I'm sorry. It's because of me. Jimin, Annie, it's not like that. I'm not feeling good from past 5 to 6 days. Um. Eat a little bit. Jimin, it's enough. Yoongi, Jimin, you didn't eat anything. Jimin, I want to sleep. Yoongi nodded. He gave him and placed the dishes in the kitchen. And now come. He said Jimin is waiting for him. He went to him. Yoongi, your this behavior. Jimin, huh? Really? He hit him. Yoongi chuckled. Yoongi is asleep now. Good night, Jimin. Good night. And they both sleep peacefully. They don't know it's not long lasting. They sleep and then the night pass. Next day, Jimin wake up. He see Yoongi is not in the room. He sign and go to fresh up. When he come back, he really don't want. He's feeling tired. He don't want to go downstairs and he don't go. He sit on the bed. Jimin look at her with shocked eyes. He didn't understand anything. He see Yoongi also come. Yoongi look at him. Huh. Without any expression, Hannah, I said them you are just here for you can't from your you start to Jimin eyes wide and he can't believe Jimin what Granny Jimin what is all this? Hannah show him the Jimin it's not me Hannah oh really huh check your phone Granny I didn't expect this from you Jimin please Granny believe me I did nothing I am tired. Jimin, listen me. Please tell them you know me, right? Take a step back, Hannah, you from here. Jimin looked at Yoongi. He went to about to hold his hand, and Yoongi take a step back. Yoongi go from here. He said, and Jimin had Yoongi, don't you listen me, Yoongi, just go. Jimin, how can you believe them, Yoongi? Yoongi, everything is in front of my eyes. That's why. You come late, right? Jimin Yoongi, you tell me, Jimin, I leave you. You are. He complete his sentence, but everyone shocked when they see Yoongi. Jimin, one more word I do further. How can you believe them, Yoongi? Yoongi, go from here. Jimin, granny, go, Jimin. And here, everyone. No one is here. No one is here to understand him. Jimin Tay, you are not my best friend anymore. 15 days pass, everyone is blank. Tay is missing his bestie and Jimin. He stays silent, he don't talk with anyone, he becomes same. Hana is so happy. She is thinking now she get what she wants. She's wrong. Hana, you did great job, Sohyun. Now your work is finished. Here you can go. You said you don't stay here anymore. You go with me. Sohyun, okay, send my money in my account, okay? Hana, I will now go, she said and turned. Her smile faded when she see Taeyang stand there with the smirk. Tay, you are so Miss Cousin. How can you talk here in public area? Hana, what do you mean? Tay, oh, I record everything. Now I give this to who is in the living room. I already know something is wrong. That's why I start to. Hana look at her and there. Jungkook The Jungkook take them, their eyes widen to see Hana. What? To see my cousin Yoongi. Young now tell them everything. I'm tired now. Yoongi, what you think, Hana? You do, huh, Hana? What did I did? Nothing. Yoongi still. Yoongi, why you did all this? What you got? You made email and sent from his ID and said everyone what you think I believe you. Yoongi Jungkook tell them everything. JK, so when you come here with Sohyun, we thought something is suspicious, so we take his debt and we got to know he's belong from the, and Yoongi is the mafia. He help officer. He's a good mafia. He do good work and Yoongi information. And he let Sohyun stay here. He know what Sohyun is doing, and Jimin also tell him everything. He said everyone to pretend they don't know. They didn't. They one day. And who know the reality, Hana? I did nothing. Leave me. Take her. He roll his eyes. Yoongi, take her, and Jungkook, you take him. I know what I have to do with him. Okay, sir. As you said, Jake nodded and said his man to come and take him. Now call Jimin from your apartment. I am missing him, he said with the pouch. Yoongi, I already did. Jimin, come and meet with Granny. Granny, sorry for those words, Jimin. Jimin, it's alright. After all, you do so much practice. Everyone smiled. I missed you, Jimin. You don't believe me. Do you us? They both chuckle and meet with each other. JK, guys, think about me, please. Yoongi, now I will think. Don't worry. Jimin, Yoongi went to Jimin. Jimin, are you? Yoongi, are you okay? Jimin, much better. Granny, what happened with him? Yoongi, sorry guys, I didn't tell you because of all this. Jimin is, you have to become mad. Everyone, what? Everyone becomes so happy. Jimin, Yoongi, I'm sorry. Jimin, why you misunderstood me? Yoongi, in world eyes, Jimin, so now make up with me in world eyes. Yoongi, chuckle and Yoongi, I'm sorry. And Jimin, don't said sorry. Everything is fine. Shukr. Funny last part. Hope you all like. If you like, then subscribe and tell me in comments. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Sarang. Now I sleep peacefully.